Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can take the backup of your WordPress website and upload it to a different web hosting company. So this is my website digital-today.com and I have hosted it at present with BigRock, and today is the last date. You can see March 13 2021, and today is the same date, March 13 2021. So today is the last date and I want to move this website from move my whole complete website. So how I will do it? First I need to add a plugin. I need to go to plugins and click on add new. Herein I need to search Updraft. This is the plugin which you need to download. I have already downloaded it and activated it, so I need to just go to the plugin. After going to this Updraft Plus, you click on settings, then again click on settings, scroll down, click on this Google Drive. I have linked it to my Gmail account, so all the backup is going to Google Drive. As you can see, you just need to add it to your Google Drive. Okay, you can go for these other sections as well, but I will prefer for Google Drive. I have already linked it. Okay, that's why it's not showing at present, so it will show for you. Okay, then after that you need to go here, backup and restore. Click on backup once. You have made changes to your settings. Okay, click this all things and click on backup now. So requesting a backup. So backup is about to happen. You can see data is getting uploaded. 20% is completed. So it is done, right? Now I will move my website to other hosting and show you how to recover the data. As you can see in my GoDaddy, this domain name, this is my domain name, and I have updated the name server to dns1.freehostia.com to dns2 to .freehostia.com. so I have moved my domain to freehostia, and herein I have signed up an account and added my domain. You can see digitaltoday.com. So now I need to go to this option, manage domain, and click on hosted domains. I can host it up to 5 domains for free here, and this is a totally a free web hosting company that I would recommend you. You can see name servers are changed. You just need to click on my domain. Herein you need to click on this web installer. I have already installed WordPress in this website, and you can see I have already installed. You can see the installation one, and you can see in the eye icon in the video I have just installed. You just need to click this button, install, and follow the next instructions, and it is easy to install WordPress. So after installing WordPress, my website is looking like this. Let me show you. This is how my website is showing as of now. So I will now upload the content of Updraft in my website. So I just logged into a dashboard, and I need to go again to plugins, click on add new. The hosting is now changed completely, so I need to search Updraft, install now. can see this is, I need to click on activate. That's it. Click on settings. Again click on settings. Google Drive. Click on save changes. Click on this. I need to log into same Gmail account. This one. Allow. Setup. You can. So on this page, whenever I am clicking on rescan remote storage, I am getting this error, Google Drive URL error 7. So I have another method which I am telling you. So for this you can go to your Google Drive. This is my updraft folder. Just click on, right click on this and click on download. So I have already downloaded this. Let me show you. This is a folder where I have downloaded it. I just need to, this is a zip file. I need to right click on it and unzip this file. Okay, after unzipping this file, click on extract here. So these are the files which I need to upload. So now go back to again this place. You can click on this button, upload backup files. Now you can click on select files. You can select all this file, Control A, and click on open. So you can see it is getting completed one by one. Date, you can also see this dates file it is, so it is getting uploaded one by one. So it's completed. You just need to select this one and click on restore. Select all of them. Next, restore. So the restoration in process. So after doing this process, let's check whether my website is working or not. Let's check the URL. You can see my website is now restored using Updraft plugin. So you can check everything like about us page. You can go through all the pages are same. You can go to blogs. My website is live again now. I can open anything and it is working fine. I got my content and all plugins and everything I got back, and my website got back to normal. You can see everything showing similarly, no problem at all. So if you think that you are able to get this thing, and you can also secure your website by taking its backup, so just hit on the like button and comment below if you have any query. Subscribe my channel, friends, for my upcoming videos, and thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.